Hi friend, this is we recently done the whatever we already supplied the panel. For that there are some modification asked during the FAT means factory inspection test by the customer. So those things we are carried out, so that images we are shared here. So basically there are mainly they asked to change the earthing wire because as per the standard we use, but the customer asked let it be in the higher side, so accordingly we use the higher side. And this, since it is used for the PLC interfacing system, we want additional one NONC changeover contact has to be required, so because of that we changed. Now coming back to this PLC circuit, this is the wiring from our panel to the PLC meter to the PLC, so that we done. And there are some few instruction sticker we are missed, so that is asked during the FAT, so those sticker we are provided, so that it will be very clear and easy for the maintenance aspect. So completely it is taken care for the maintenance aspects, they taken very highly. So the nameplate also is provided with the additional detail as asked by the customer during the FAT. We are Shreya Power Control, and we given our mail ID and the contact number. We are stayed in Bangalore. You can contact all your requirement of the electric control panel. This is the special panel we are recently supplied, and we given all the stickers, identification we are shown, and the customer also asked for the additional holes in the bus bar so that they can connect with the lower circuit cables also. So these are all the requirement asked during the FAT, and we supplied this one. So please contact all type of LV panel, and this is our we recently supplied 100 amps auto transformer system with the tapping arrangement. So this is having a 0 to 720 volts is the voltage range, 3 phase with 100 amps up to 415 volts, and from 415 to 720 volts will be 56 amps total capacity. So this is recently we supplied, and this is the additional they asked for whether the cable is connected or not, we want visible, so that we done the cutout and we provided that one. Thank you. Please contact Shreya Power Control for all your requirement. We are working with the 3 segment. One is we are doing the manufacturing of the LV panel, that is the one segment, and also we are doing trading activities, trading in the sense reseller, like that, so that whatever you want electrical item, any make, any brand, if you specify the make and model number, we will ready to support you for the supplying of those items. Even we are import also, we will import and we will provide you, so that we will become a single point coordination source for you. And also we are doing the servicing work. You can contact for all your requirement of all type of requirement of servicing as well. These are all the FAT during the changes what we done. Thank you, and please contact Shreya Power Control for all kind of your requirement. Mainly we are doing the junction boxes, local control station, reverse power relays, so it will be used for the solar. It's generally we are supplying. Please contact us so that we will support you in all respect. Thank you.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು